Kira, will you marry me?
Yeah!
No, put it on your ring finger.
Oh yeah.
You slut.
Oh.
No! She broke the ring.
Take a baby.
Honey.
I'm marrying my heart.
Somebody just died.
Actually, 86.
Yeah. 86 people died. Off the bridge. Ah! Don't like this movie.
Oh, I do. I find it funny.
So emotional.
Oh God, pardon me.
You can't have any because you're a naughty boy.
Down there.
Down there. Vagina. Vagina.
Vagina.
Stop it. I'm trying to get a... Leo. Leo. What's this? Roll over. Good boy. Oh, good boy. The number plate said fit as fuck. Why are the hairdressers open? It's night time.
Why would you get your hair cut now?
Start now. Oh, better not show that.
Why?
So I know where we are. They could have tracked us down and raped us further.
Raped us further?
Yeah, because we're in the dark alley and we got raped already.
Why am I agreeing with you? I was like,
Yeah, that was casual. I got you in my arms.
You go to know. I need to know what you go.
No! That is not what I meant.
People probably think you're a weirdo.
They ain't got their windows open because it's too cold outside. You see how cold my hands are? They are cold. Cold, bitch, it's cold.
Mine are red as well. Mine are in my pocket. That's so glad.
Toilets! You need a wee!
I never knew they were there.
Never saw it. I think they're new. They don't look very new, do they?
Don't look very old either.
Oh, check you out arguing. No queuing on the roundabout, bitches. No queuing on the roundabout. Remember these, where all the bitches get their STDs. On my D's. Bus! I just keep climbing. Ah, Blockbuster! We are now. Oh,
This is just a small one.
yeah. Oh, all these glory. I forget. Kira.
Oh my God, I love that. That's the funniest thing ever.
Throbbing, stopping in 3, 2, 1, go. Because I can't see anything at the moment. Oh my God, it's like a fanny. Squelch, squelch, squelch.
Which way?
Guys. That way.
Oh.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Running on the highway. She's just a girl and she's on fire. My hands are like icicles.
That's why I'm putting them in my pocket.
We are on the way to Blockbusters to pick up a film, walk home with some munch.
Now we've got to go past an alleyway.
Should we risk it?
Yeah.
We'll risk it, I'm fucking...
Oh God.
Come on.
Are you sure?
I wouldn't if I was on my own, no way. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's okay.
don't leave me.
Get your light. We will link arms.
Yeah. You don't want to stay there. No, I don't want to do it. Oh, fuck. No.
We will talk you through this. Come on, we're halfway through now.
No, I'm gonna cry.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna cry.
Just think, Caden's at the end of it.
Oh yeah, let's go. I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry, mate.
I'm gonna cry.
We're nearly there. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel. You're just making me stick and sludge. No! Kira!
I'll come back.
We are out of the darkness. Almost.
I'm not going back through there.
No, not later. We'll go the long way.
Yeah.
That's the long way. We should have gone the long way. Up the hill. No more dark alleys for us. We are virgins. We'd like it to stay that way. 40 minutes. Oh, what are they watching in there? Anything good? No. Don't give me that. I'll lose my temper. We'll close down the community centre.
Just casually from it. Very low smell.
Oh, I know you're under a light. Woo!
Don't
Woohoo!
worry. Staring in the
Should I pause it until we get to Blockbusters?
Yeah.
Pause.
Lighter
Now! We are back! We
in a
for
6 o'clock.
final destination 5! Woohoo! The suspension bridge one.
Oh.
Just be like suspension. Suspense.
Tension, innit?
Suspense and tension. Same things, you goonie. Blue lights.
Watch the Goonies.
beginning to find relief.
a Wimbleway, 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 Wimbleway, a Wimbleway, a Wimbleway, a Wimbleway, a Wimbleway, a Wimbleway. Do it. It's like this, you know. Muscles, you can do it. Fucking, yeah. The way I do it.
This is funny.
Thank you very much. You put one, right, you follow me. You put your left leg, you put both hands, yeah?
Yeah.
And your left leg,
Mhm.
and your right leg, and then your front hand here, and your bum on the handle here. And just sort of go like that. Oh shit.
That is funny.
That'll be alright, that'll
Just
if this happens, you know, work with it.
stick it back on.
Maybe not sit on the hand. That's it, Kira. Stomp on my fairy lights!
Oh, you actually look really pretty.
Next to mine. Boom, shookalooku.
Everyone else.
I'm gonna put this in my mouth a minute.
Everyone has.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
That is hot.
Ooh. Shake it.
Oosh.
Do you smell the strawberries? Hello.
Have you ever seen a penguin on the sea?
Not to tea.
Tell me what you see.
Oh my god.
Right round me, right round me. Congratulations!
Rebel. Where's the bed?
No.
They're up. Anyway,
They're on the toilet. They're having a shit.
is it? I ain't got many faces. Maybe I just dribbled. Blur. I've got hair on.
Oh my god, I felt it on my hand.
But what? Wait, you just. I'm a hot motherfucker. Can you see me? Yeah. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. What?
Do it there.
Yeah.
Do it now.
Wait, pick it.
I like cheese.
I can't see.
Chicken.
They're talking to blackness.
Ow,
it's really bright.
it's not my fault. It's not my fault. Ring a volume. My phone is on. When I go boom, boom, boom. Can you see it?
I love it. What is that?
You're a YouTube child.